Find the best spice grinders in 2018 at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy today. I am going to review the top 10 best spice grinders on the market in 2018. Cuisinart SG10 Electric Spice and Nut Grinder. Flexible design for grinding spices and nuts. Durable stainless steel blades for high performance and long life. Push top lid for easy operation. Lid offers extra storage space. Non-slip rubber feet for stability. 9. Quiseen Gravity Electric Pepper Salt Spice Grinder. Brushed stainless steel container and acrylic window for a modern look. Sealed acrylic chamber for maintaining freshness. One-handed operation for convenience. Versatility. Design works on spices, peppercorns, nuts, salt, and more. Non-corrosive, non-rusting, and antioxidative for healthy and fresh spices. 8. Easehold Electric Spice and Coffee Grinder. 200 watts powerful motor for fast grinding. Free button press. Work mode for varying the coarseness of the ground spice. Suitable for spices, coffee beans, herb, pepper, and other ingredients. Compact and portable size for placing on any household kitchen countertop, dinner table, or travel. 7. KD Living Spice and Salt Grinder. Glass body for extra elegance. Refined design and smooth edges for easy operation. Adjust 10 grind design for fully customizing your needs. Corrosion resistant container to preserve the original flavor and aroma. Moisture free construction for the highest quality. 6. Vremi Electric Spice and Coffee Grinder. Double stainless steel blades for strength and durability. Powerful 150 watts motor for top performance. 25,000-28,000 RPM for faster speed and quick operation. Grinds spices, coffee beans, herbs, nuts, grains, pumpkin seeds, linseed, and more. 5. Golden Bell 4-piece herb and spice grinder. 2-inch heavy-duty zinc alloy construction for sturdiness and reliability. 3 chambers and 4 pieces for improved performance. Mesh screen filters for fine pollen. Magnetized lid for minimizing spilling. Thin poly O-ring for reduced friction and smooth grinding. 4. Secure Electric Coffee Grinder and Spice Grinder. 2 removable bowls for chopping and grinding. Stainless steel exterior and blades for long life and improved hygiene. Versatile grinder works on spices, coffee beans, herbs, nuts and vegetables. Built-in smart overheating protection. 3. Golden Bell 2-inch Spice Herb Grinder. 4-piece quality mesh screen for optimal filtration of pollen. Magnetized lid for reducing spilling. Thin poly O-ring for improved grinding and minimal friction. Sharp diamond shaped teeth for quick and efficient grinding. Tough teeth for precise grinding. 2. Quiseen One-Touch Electric Coffee Spice Grinder. Transparent lid for viewing the contents. Built-in power cord storage for convenience. Grinds spices, coffee beans, herbs, nuts, and grains. Strong motor for efficient grinding and long-lasting performance. Stainless steel blades for high performance and durability. 1. KRUPS F203 electric coffee and spice grinder, black 200 watt motor for fast grinding, stainless steel blades for effective grinding and easy clearing, versatile blades for grabbing spices, herbs, coffee beans, grains, nuts, and more. Lid activated switch for improved safety and convenience. Thanks for watching. Click the description for price and details, and you can also find links of the product in description. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel.